Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Now, today we're hitting episode 38 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now, once again, as we have been for the last 37 episodes, 2022 Honda Civic Type R. Let's go ahead, dive right in. We're going to be heading over to, I believe, Europe today. Let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go as we're hopping into our cockpit here. Back with, once again, episode 38 is where we will be hitting today. Get this going. There's so much I've got going on here. We got 3 cameras, 4 total screens to record. I mean, we're putting on steering wheels, so much. And now that we got both cameras going, they decided to turn off for a second. Let's get in here. I need to put my headphones on the PlayStation. My goodness, this is a whole... Once again, because I'm moving between the PlayStation and so on and so forth, now that I can hear everything, ooh, I got some stuff. Okay, I got some special gifts. We'll be playing with those later. Heading over to World Circuits. Let's get in here. Take that off. Yep, Europe, Middle East. And you know what? We're going to do UK, Brands Hatch, go to the quick race and do the Grand Prix circuit. Then we'll do the Indy circuit for the next episode. Let's go ahead, dive in. I'm digging. Ooh, let's do morning. And shoot, we'll go professional. I'm not professional, but that's where we're going. I mean, once again, we've got to get better at this. I'm forcing myself to get better. So recently I've hopped into, and as you could tell, I had to switch everything over. Recently I've hopped into, oh, I got to fix my steering. Oh, oh. Well, that's what I get. Oh. I have nothing set up properly. Okay. The steering feels a little bit... Oh, it's because I was playing iRacing and I haven't gotten my steering wheel set up yet for it quite. So as I start to get accustomed to it, it will be some time before I start making some content. Plus, I'm bringing this to you as much as I can. I want to get this out daily because this is a very extensive series. Oh, goodness. I've not raced this track, as you can tell. Okay. We got 3 laps, and we're going to try and catch up. This is kind of pitiful to watch, so I apologize. And I'm sure I did this for some of the training lessons, but not in the Type R. Ooh, there we go. Still working on it. Oh, off the track again. Don't spin out. Come on, there we go. Okay, we're doing some catching up, at least to P19. And then we go from there as far as tackling every position. Just thinking of it as I did it on purpose. I'm fully kidding, I didn't, but... There we go. Overtake the Beamer. I think it's a Beamer. Yeah, Beamer. And whatever the heck that thing is inside. Oh! Well, I done rammed into him. Oh, I can hear the car shaking. Now, I know that Gran Turismo just did massive update for everything. So you got a lot more data, or kind of, that I'm still learning about, but they did add some new tracks and things like that. Overall, hopefully doesn't mess with what we're doing. Oh! Got the rear end around too much. We're cutting time. That is good. Even after we completely screwed ourselves at the beginning. Come on. Take the inside. Oh. I like this Alfa Romeo. I've never seen one in person, but I know how great they are. Oh, I didn't watch for that corner. It's a good thing I've done some off-roading before. If you watch the other episodes, you'd know. Okay, I'm right behind you. I think it's a Peugeot. Come on. Oh, which is behind... It looks like a Ford GT. GT40, sorry. Mark 1. That was one of the production cars. Come on. Last lap. We've jumped 10 positions since we kind of screwed ourselves over. See if we can't jump some more within the next 2 minutes. So speaking of Camaro, not the SS behind us, but I did get to experience driving for the first time in my life, in real life, a Camaro ZL1 1LE. It was a lot of fun to drive. Just, I don't know. I like the Type R too much. It's just a great front-wheel drive daily car. Just visibility out of Camaros, not the best in the world. Oh, that LFA sounds good. Ooh, getting behind the Carrera GT and the, I'll say it's a Shelby Cobra. Come on. There we go. I didn't miss that corner that time. Yep, Shelby Cobra. I like guessing them. Even though it's less guessing, more should just know it. Is that a Saline or is that a Roush? Come on. There we go. Saved it just in time. Or P4. Oh, it's a GT350R. Oops. Come on. We ain't going to get the F40. Dag nabbits. We could have done better. That was great. Anyway, great comeback even after that huge mistake I made. Anyway, that was episode 38 of Racing Into a Track, racing a car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So that is Brands Hatch in the UK, the Grand Prix circuit. That's actually a fun track. I'd like to take a GT3 car. Nice. Off-road and rain. Nice smash there. Anyway, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. And we're going to go ahead and move on to episode 39. Racing some track, racing a car, set up Gran Turismo 7. I will see y'all on the next one.